This is, I'm not sure which car this is, maybe 28? If it's 28, it's Aiden Gibson. Sponsored by Colbeck Cash for Cars. Number, this is 171, Zach McCormick from Zach's Workshop. Little minivan should have a baby on board sign on the back of that. This is car number 355, Steven Sanders, sponsored by Zach's Workshop.
Woo!
Running on 2 cylinders out of 4. We've got car number 28, Aiden Gibson. And car number 69, Mitch Belay. We've got car number 173, Edward Stevenson, sponsored by Zach's Workshop and the Beeton Boys. Go, let's count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Have at it, boys and girls. There, we're giving the customary hello. There we go. We just found the gas pedal there now. Oh, they have found the accelerator, man. Got sandwiched in there. He's still hooked up to the Ghostbusters car. 355 feet. Whoa, there we go. They're all in the corner here right now. This little pickup here, 355 feet. Oh, into the brake. Careful there, boys. They're stretching the guardrail here this afternoon in Beeton. And a big hit there in the northeast corner. .355A's out. 173 looks to be out. He's loose the sheet metal. Gets lined up. They're out of the corner there now. Oh, big hit by 28. 355B coming in saying, I want to be part of the action too. Oh, another big hit by 28. There's lots of sheet metal out on the derby pit there right now and some car parts. Looks like 69. Whoa, what happened down here? We could be down to 2 cars here. In this junk car heat, looks like 171 and 28. Bang! There we go. No, we're not. 355B's found a bit of life. 355B into the corner there. Oh, nice hit. There we go. We could be down to a couple of cars. We're hooked up down here. There we go. 170. Oh, he just jumped up right out. I'm out of here, he says. 5, 4, 3, 2. Well, let's go. What the hell? Careful, 171, you got trouble back in there the last time. 355 needs a little pickup here. Number 28-7 trouble, bad tires on the front end, loose fluid bad. He says, finish me off, 71-71. We've got some driveline issues on 171, lots of heart, but just can't go anywhere, got no legs. We could be down to 2 cars, 355B and 28 here this afternoon in this jump car heat. And we might be down to 1, I'm not sure here. 355B's trying awful hard to finish off 28. Hit him again, there we go. We're calling it, ladies and gentlemen. Looks like your winner there is 355B.